Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your account on the Fatmap application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on this profile button down below, which is the fourth option. After that, tap on this pencil button at the top of the screen next to the More button. And then you should scroll down and type in your first and last name. And then you should write an introduction to the second button or second box. So write a bio, and then you can set your regular home base for outdoor adventures, and you can also insert your website. And when you are done, you should tap on this Save Changes button down below. And then all of the added information will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.